Thank you, Victor, for the invitation. Now, humanity. Humanity is about being compassionate, loving, giving, and forgiving other human beings on earth. Humankind comes in two categories, able and disabled. In this world, there are more able persons than the disabled persons for one good reason. Because God wants you to learn to embrace qualities of a good human being, which are caring, loving, forgiving, and taking care of each other. Hi, everyone. I am Dr. Chean Abdul Ghani. I am a lecturer and I advocate autism. Autism is a syndrome that impairs a person's ability to communicate or to speak. Humanity at the crossroad. Speak for those who can't speak for themselves. This theme aptly describes the life we have today. There are too many injustices inflicted on people who are not able to speak for themselves. First, let me give you some facts about autism. Autism incidence had risen tremendously, from 1 in every 150 persons in the 90s to 1 in 54 persons in 2020. This data is based on CDC, Center for Disease Control, based in the United States. Now, autism affects all walks of life. It can occur among the poor, the rich, the educated, the uneducated, and anywhere around the world. How do people with autism look like? Well, they look like you and me. They are physically normal. However, there are a few things about them that make them different from us. 1, they speak incoherently. When you ask them questions, they answer you differently. 2, they are repetitive. They repeat some behaviors or some words over and over again. 3, they have poor eye contact. They do not look at you when you speak to them. So don't take them as rude. 4, they are fidgety. They are very restless. They don't have time to listen to you to finish your sentence. Sometimes they walk away while you talk to them. Again, don't take them as rude. 5, they speak with an abnormal tone. Most of the time they speak in monotone or they scream. That's their form of communication. 6, they do not behave in public places because they do not know social rules. They do not know how to do turn taking. They may cut in the line. And 7, they do not like loud noises. They can't stand places like shopping centers, the sound of a blender, or the sound of a grass cutter. Ladies and gentlemen, what I have shared with you are only partially characteristics of people with autism. There are many more. So this is why autism today is better known as ASD, Autism Spectrum Disorder. People with autism normally display many of the above characteristics. They do not display only one symptom. So have you seen anyone like this before? That person might have ASD. What can you do to help? There are several things you can do to help. First, exercise humanity. Be sympathetic, be helpful, be patient with them. Second, create awareness. Educate as many people as you can about autism and how to help. Start with your family and start with yourself. Third, refer people with autism and families with autism to Autism Help Center so they can gain knowledge to manage their problems. Fourth, be an advocate. Speak for them. They can't speak for themselves. advocate autism and other disabilities. And finally, be a hero in the little way you can. Thank you.